Okay, so this G10 is not as smooth as the Crimson one. This is more of your standard G10, which is a medium. It's not aggressive like a cold steel G10, but it's not as smooth as the Crimson. The Crimson one is really something, I mean, it feels really good. Medium jimping on the blade. Centered. Deep carry. Probably reversible, but I'm not going to mess with it since I don't need to. Only tip up, left and right though. No tip down. There is just a hint of wiggle on the tab up and down. Nothing side to side. Oops, that was a bad one. When you deploy it though, there's no blade play, so I've already checked that. Dual thumb studs. Closes really nice like that. Yeah. So this is the SOG Terminus XR. I do like that they put the name of the knife on the blade. Cryo D2. Forefinger, if you hold it like this, and then 3.5 like this. But the butt of the knife holds very well into the palm. So I wouldn't call that sharp, but I wouldn't call it smooth, if that makes any sense. I mean, you can feel it, but it's not uncomfortable. D2 steel, I already know this will survive an 8-hour EDC cut test. So these higher end steels, I may just do 8-hour carry and deployment tests versus the cut test, because I already know that they'll survive 8 hours. But yeah, this I don't have OCD, so this shouldn't be an issue, but it is something just worth noting if it bothers you. The Camillus does that too. Now I want to check all my flippers. Okay, this has a strong detent for the flipper. So there you go. SOG Terminus XR.